Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Passion for Purple Open Collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by Metal Scrap and Chick, and every month on the 15th, I think noon Eastern is what she aims for, but anytime on the 15th, probably. Um, anyway, we post something made with purple. It doesn't have to be paper. Sometimes I do jewelry on my other channel, but I just couldn't get to it in time this week because I've had a couple busy days and just yesterday and the day before. Anyway, I used these basic white note cards and envelopes, and the size on them is, I think it's 5 1/8 or 5 by 4 1/8, something like that. Oh well, it says on here, doesn't it? 5 1/8 by 3 5/8. Yes, inches. So this is the paper that I used. I just brought this out because it was about this size, only wider. So the whole 12 by 12, but it was only a partial. And I was able, but it was this paper. It has this on one side, and then these painted lavender stems, which are in Highland Heather, Gorgeous Grape, and Lost Lagoon. And I think that color is crumb cake, but the whole paper pack is painted lavender, and I think that's in the annual catalog. It says 2024 on here. It was in the January to April 2024, but it carried over to the annual catalog, so it's currently in their annual or online, I guess. You'd have to check. So I used the note cards. I used 3 punches for these two. I used this retired double oval punch, and the color paper I used is Gorgeous Grape, just some white scrap I had, and the color ink I used is Lost Lagoon because that's the color in here. And those are Stampin' Up colors because it's Stampin' Up paper. So this was the back of the paper, and I just cut it about a 1/4 inch in from the edge. But when I cut the paper, this one, the background, I ended up with these two pieces like this. And then I had a long strip and I just cut that off, and I have this much left off of it. Just so I was able to show you that. I'll keep that because that can be used on a card, something like that. And then, oh, and these circle punches are EK Success for this scalloped 1 3/4 inch. And this, I think, is retired 1 1/2 inch plain circle punch from Stampin' Up. So I just left the insides blank. The ribbon is Gorgeous Grape from Stampin' Up. Also, I'm pretty sure retired. Yeah, retired from 2021. And then I found I had some of these glossy dots assortment. They are retired too, but that color is Gorgeous Grape. But if you don't have those and you have Dollar Tree, you could use something like this. The only thing I like about these is they're a little smaller, but these are nice and flat, which is kind of what I was going for. And then the thank you came out of this set, Celebrating You, retired in May 2023, and I just used the thank you. I wanted a set of thank you note cards, and this is what I used here. And I just stamped that on the envelopes in Gorgeous Grape. I probably should have used Highland Heather, but I think it'll be fine. And I guess these can go, this size I think can go in the postal service. Okay, so the ribbon, I didn't wrap it around anything. I wanted these to be relatively flat. This one kind of got funky. I put the ribbon down with tear and tape, but I didn't go all the way across. And this one kind of just got weird. It bent and stuff. Anyway, these I decided to make flags, but this one I got the flag shorter than this one. It's all good. And I left them all blank because they're just little thank you cards. Didn't want anything too fancy. I did a flea market yesterday, Saturday the 14th, and I sold all but one box that I had taken. I had taken big, like the grocery store bags, like 4 of those, and a couple small boxes and then a big box full of cards. I still have some I couldn't take. And I sold all but one big box of cards, but that one I donated to my friend Sue's. Her church is having something called Attic Treasures. So that one is donated. And now I have to redo some of my stash. I don't want a whole lot. And I think what I'll do, these could even be a nice gift to give to someone, to use, and I can tie a bow around it. Or honestly, I have a jewelry craft fair November 3rd that I'll do. That's my only craft fair this year. And maybe I'll take a few little sets of thank you cards and stuff to do. These I glued down. These two I did pop up on dimensionals, and I kind of, because of the ribbon the way I did it, I kind of wish I hadn't, because it does make it stand out and be uneven for purposes of wrapping the ribbon around and stuff, but it's okay. It's all good, right? So anyway, that would make a cute little set for someone. And that's what I made for Passion for Purple this month. Please be sure to visit a Metal Scrap and Chick, and I believe there is a hashtag we use. If so, it'll be in the title and or the description in the first line or two. So click on that and you'll be able to see what everyone, whoever participated, made for Passion for Purple this month and prior months. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Like, the 18th, but it's on my other channel. Okay? Hugs, love, and peace.